What's up, guys? We are at the entrance of Playa Chiquita. It is this the Eric Benjamin Street?
Yeah, Eric Benjamin.
Yeah, so we're still on Eric Benjamin Street. That's where our villa is. I have a link to the villa if you would like to rent the villa. It is a modern 4-bedroom villa that you would absolutely love to be in. So this is the entrance to Playa Chiquita, which probably is one of my favorite beaches in this whole area. The reason being is very small, somewhat private. I'm gonna get a little footage of the opening for you. Mr. Raj will be there waving hi. Oh, so you can see here, it's just this little path. It's a little path that we're gonna walk down. You can check it out here. There it is. So me and Raj, partner in crime, we're gonna be walking down this path. It's just a quick minute. It is very easy to miss. You wouldn't even know that you're at Playa Chiquita. This is your first time here, right, Raj?
I have never been here.
We were walking down the street one day, just trying to see what was going on in the neighborhood. And we saw this little walkway, and I didn't even know what it was. So it was pretty neat. We said, oh, let's just walk down here. We didn't know if it was a private walkway. And then come to find out, it is the entrance to Playa Chiquita, which is probably a 30, maybe 30-yard wide beach in this little private area. You would think it's your own private beach when you get here. So I highly recommend coming here. It's a really cool space. So let's check out the entrance to the beach. Hola. Raj, what do you think of the beach?
It's awesome. It's like a little tiny beach.
This is a little beach, I would say no more than probably 30 yards wide. Absolutely beautiful. You have a couple beautiful houses. One here, the one actually house in front of me is somewhat abandoned. Ooh, yes. I am wearing the yellow Nikes. Probably the best, definitely the best water shoes I've ever owned. The water here is like being in bath water. I mean, absolutely incredible. We got a few waves today. We'll try to get some good action of that. I brought the drone, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get footage of the drone, but I would like to. And just take a look at how beautiful this is. So the GoPro is waterproof. Oh, the waves are coming up. I don't have my waterproof case. I don't know what's gonna happen. Water's getting a little rough. It'd be fun to swim in it though. So I can't take this into the water. How beautiful is this beach though?
Told you not to lose your pants.
So great. Feeling great. Playa Chiquita. I love you. Favorite beach in Sosúa. It's small, it's beautiful, the water's amazing. So we're flying the drone. Mary Margaret told me to fly over into this abandoned house.
Haunted.
So it could be haunted. So we're gonna go check it out. Here's a quick little footage of the house.
God, this is like, what's that movie, Raj, where they go into the forest?
Oh my God.
Okay, they think we're gonna die. We're not.
We're gonna pick up the Babadook.
But you can see that it's a very interesting air.
The Blair Witch Project.
It's kind of Blair Witch Project vibes. We sent Junior ahead. It's kind of like the sacrificial lamb.
And this is how all horror movies start.
Somehow he opened the door. I don't know if he's he's talking to someone. So we have someone here. So you guys know that's
if
Junior.
this is like some guy dressed in a suit, I'm running.
We can see the yard. We can into the harbor in the yard.
Yeah, that's Junior. Hola, buenas.
Háganle perro, ven.
Oh, mucho perro. Perro. Yeah.
They're all happy to see us.
So here's the house. Is it for sale, Junior? The house for sale?
No, he said I need to talk to the lady, the manager lady tonight. I know when I can get it.
It looks beautiful.
Oh.
Okay, at one point, man,
This was unbelievable.
Mary Margaret, we need you. How else are we going to escape the Babadook?
Okay, so
La casa no está.
I guess it doesn't have any walls. Oh shit! Big ass lizard.
Michael, give me.
Huh?
Don't put me in favor because like that he can be.
Oh, don't record it.
Oh.
He doesn't want to get fired.
Okay, gotta stop. So that was an interesting adventure. You never know what you're gonna find in the Dominican Republic, just random stuff. So we just did a tour. They didn't want me to film inside, so I had to respect their wishes, turn off the camera. Got a little footage that you saw, but that was about it. And what do you think, Raj? Pretty interesting.
That was a really cool property. Beautiful house. Hasn't been lived in for, I don't know, maybe 10 years. I think he said it's never been lived in.
Yeah, it's never been lived in, so just really random. The question is, if they just saw this drone randomly flying into the property, they must have been like, what the hell is going on?
The FBI was coming.
Yeah, they thought the FBI was coming. That was a really funny situation. So yeah, another adventure, Dominican Republic.